Hello everyone, this is going to be a quick video. Normally I start off with a taste test first, but this one does not take long to make and it is delicious. It's what I have for lunch at least 2, sometimes 3 times a week. So let's get started. I picked this up at Walmart. It's $13.34. It's about a pound of salmon. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut that in half and I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of olive oil on it. And I'm going to season it with a bit of sea salt and then drizzle some lemon on it. And then I'm going to steam it in the Instant Pot for 11 minutes. So this is the most delicious. I look forward to having this every time I have it. I'm trying to eat healthier and incorporating food that I wouldn't normally eat. And I've been eating salmon now. I've added it to my diet over the past year. And it is super healthy. It's full of omega-3 fatty acids, which are good for you. But the problem is you fry it, you can tend to dry it out. This is a no-fail way to have a nice, delicious poached salmon or steamed salmon. Stay tuned. We'll get started. I'm going to cut that bad boy in half, put half of it away for me to have for lunch the day after tomorrow, and I'll show you how we prepare this. I'll be right back. Okay, folks, like I said, this is going to be a quick one. I'll show you. Normally I do this when it's in the pan. I'll leave it out. You start off with, I cook it on a piece of tin foil. I want the juices to stay on this while it's cooking, and I'll show you what I do once it's done. So what I do is I spray it with a little bit of olive oil. Healthy oils. Remember, I don't have any vegetable oil in my house. I only use either olive oil or avocado oil. Then I sprinkle it with some sea salt. Just one little bit on there. And then I drizzle it with some lemon. Or you could squeeze some lemon on it if you want. I've got a cup of water in my Instant Pot. And I've got my little basket so I can bring it out and show you when it's done. This is a cool little thing if you want to look it up on Amazon. It's called a sling, and it's pretty cool. Very easy. It's not hot to the touch. We seal that up. That seal goes on. Get on there. There we go. And we're going to set the cook time to 11 minutes. Start it up. That's it, folks. That's all there is to it. Once that's done, I'm going to let the pressure release. We're not going to let it sit. It's cooked in 11 minutes. That's ready to eat. And then I'll show you how juicy and delicious the salmon is. Stay tuned. Coming up, I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out. So this is what it looks like when it's done, folks. What I'm going to do, you can see the little pockets there where the liquid is. I'm going to use my meat thermometer. I'm going to poke holes in the tin foil so that all drains out before I lift this out and put it on the plate. Stand by. Oops, sorry for the jiggle. So this is what it looks like, folks, when it's done. And we're going to go in and we're going to do a taste test. This is, when you see when that's cut, the juice is coming out of it, all healthy. Stay tuned. We'll be right back to taste it. Okay, now we're ready to eat. As I said, I have this about 3 times a week. Been trying to eat healthy. This 8-ounce piece of salmon has only 367 calories. I asked ChatGPT to give me the nutritional information for it, so I'll include those in the description below. But 360 calories, full of omega-3 fatty acids, which help your cholesterol levels, your brain health. It's a superfood, and it is the easiest thing in the world and not that expensive. I got this at Walmart. It was 1 pound for $13.14. So do the math. It's about $6.60-70 for one piece. I cut it in half. Have one today and one in a few days. Now watch as I break this apart. It just flakes right off. And each piece is juicy and delicious. Look at that. Let's taste. It's delicious. But again, I have this about 3 times a week. It is so easy to make. The salmon just breaks apart. You're sure that it's going to be cooked evenly. And because it's pressure cooked, so it's cooked under steam, you're not losing any of the nutritional, good, healthy fats that are in there. It locks it in. It guarantees there's no dry spots. It's delicious. And again, I have this 3 times a week. If you look back at my prior videos, I think you can see a difference in the weight. I don't weigh myself every day, but I know my clothes are looser. And I bought a new pair of jeans recently, and I bought my old size, and they're too big for me. So eat this food. It's really good. If you like this video, please hit that like button. I'd encourage you to have a look at my channel, look at my playlist. I've got them all categorized in different topics and different types of food, whether it's Instant Pot, Air Fryer, Vitamix, healthy foods. Have a look. And if it's something you're interested in, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Jamie, signing off. It's good.